Introducing TruBind's all-in-one wire binding machine, the TB-W12. Designed for small to medium volume projects, the TB-W12 measures just under 15 inches in width and 10.24 inches in depth, making it the perfect fit for any workspace. It's fully equipped to punch and bind your projects that require a 3-to-1 pitch twin loop wire and punches up to 32 square-shaped holes, ideal for smooth 360-degree page turning. The following steps will help you recreate this 12-page project. Start with a stack of 12 test documents and use the sizing chart to select your wire size. For projects less than 30 pages, the chart recommends a 1/4-inch wire binding size, which we will place on the fence for later. Next, attach the handle to the right side of the machine. This is used to punch your documents and close your wire. Adjust your depth margin to the lowest setting of 4.5 millimeters by pushing it in. For future projects, increase the depth margin size as you begin to add more pages. Lock in the adjustable side margin to the letter size line. This will help you get the perfect punch. Turn the punch dial to the 1/4-inch setting to match the size of our wire spine. Insert one of the test documents and pull the handle to punch. Review the holes to make any necessary adjustments, then punch the remaining stack. Align your holes to the wire, then use both hands to lift off your project. Ensure that the opening of the wire is face down by placing it on top of your machine. This is how it should look at the bottom of your closer. To close the wire, keep your project upright as you pull down the lever. With your test project now complete, your machine is all set to move on to your final project. Once you're done, don't forget to empty out the built-in waste bin. For this machine and many other products, visit our one-stop shop, LaminationDepot.com.